Welcome back to my channel, guys. Today I'm going to be using hair color paint for the first time, and I'm going to be using the brand Mofajang, and the color is this ice blue. Super excited to try this out, so let's get started. You want to make sure that your hair is in sections. It's just easier that way. And then you're just going to simply take the product and put it on your hair. But before you do that, you want to make sure you're moisturizing your hair. So I'm just putting a little bit of leave-in in my hair, making sure I get my little sensitive area. So I'm going to put this and distribute this throughout my entire head, making sure to coat it from the roots to the ends. And then I'm just going to take my Tangle Teaser and detangle the hair. And this also helps your curls to start to clump together. So once this is done, you're ready to start applying, and I could not believe how bright this blue was. It was so bright on my dark hair. So you're just going to take the wax and make sure you coat as many strands as you can. So I did this by just smoothing it over the entirety of this section. And I was trying really hard not to get any on my skin. This was a bit difficult, but as I moved along the rest of my head, I kind of got the hang of it. So as you can see, you let the curls go, and then you get to really see where you need to actually apply more product. So I just went through this section applying the blue as I saw needed, or as I saw necessary. And you know, it took a little while to get it right, but eventually I get it. So at this point, I decided to actually twist the section. So typically, when people use the hair paint, they go with their natural curls because the texture of the paint is, I don't want to say gel-like, but it actually clumps your curls together. And I actually would have preferred this method, but at the time, I thought doing a 2-strand twist on my hair was going to come out better. So I just twisted this section because I already had my hair pre-sectioned out. So after I'm done applying, I just twist this section down as a regular 2-strand twist so that I can formulate, you know, a set curl as opposed to my natural curl. There we have it. The first one is done. So we just repeat the process over and over and over and over again until you run out of hair. So when you're done adding the hair paint coloring and twisting, you should have something that looks like this. Looking at it now, I can see a few spots where I could have added a little more color, but overall, it's looking pretty good. The blue is so vibrant. I'm so excited to see what this is going to turn out like. Here's a close-up of the back, and my hands are disgusting, but it's okay. So now we sleep. And in the morning, this is what I had. I took the twist out, and I had this beautiful, vibrant blue twist out that lasted for over a week. Thanks for watching, guys. If you like this look and you want to see more, please comment down below. Tell me if you've ever used hair paint. If so, how did it turn out? And don't forget to like this video and subscribe. Until next time, bye-bye.